guys, what's going on? Rapid Science here with another video, and this one's just a little out of the ordinary. Today we're going to be not unboxing, but a review and going through the box steps of what it did look like a week ago when I unboxed it. So I just wore the Apple Watch Series 3 Nike Plus for an entire week. It's a little hard to see it because those lights over there, but here, better angle. Alright, and I wore it for the entire week. And I'm going to give you an entire run-up of the good, the bad, pros, cons, yada, 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 whatever you want to call it. And then we're going to go through the box. We're actually going to do the box first, and we're going to see what everything looks like. So when you open the box, slowly, steadily, beautiful. The box here, Apple Watch Nike Plus Series 3. And on the inside of this box, in case you guys never noticed this, there is actually a little bit of a weight here, so that's why it's so easy to pull off the top. It's kind of cool. It's fun to look at. Notice these things. The Apple slyly puts in. All right, you have the card here. It says "Designed for Athletes" by Apple and Nike, and then inside just a warranty and guide to set up, stuff like that. And then we have this the bigger size band per se, or I should say. There we go. And pass the smell test. Smells fresh out of the factory. Beautiful presentation right there. And then here's where the watch would be. You take that out. Beautiful casing, by the way. It's actually cardboard. It has a cardboard texture. And then here you will find your charging brick that we have here. Charging brick. And the wireless charging pad. And that actually just snaps right onto the watch. It's a magnet. So if you just watch here, take this backing here and kind of just, and whoops. It's kind of hard to show over a camera that it's magnetic. You kind of have to be here feeling it, but it's definitely magnetic. And then let me turn on the lights here so now we can see the watch itself. Oh, let me put in. And yes, you can put you can have a passcode on your watch, which I kind of like. Now, if you scroll up here, you can see that it has all these different modes. That locked me out again. Sometimes it can be a little weird because I have settings on where if it's like not on my arm, it will automatically lock. So I think it's a little weird. Airplane mode. The mask is called theater mode, and it won't turn on at all unless you actually hit the buttons. I'll find my iPhone. The flashlight one's kind of cool. It kind of brings up a little light here, and when you turn it, it gets really bright. Do not disturb mode, and then a water ejection mode. So let's say you have water in your speaker. You turn that digital crown. And that should get rid of any water that's in the speaker. And yes, the Series 3 is waterproof. I've taken in the water, completely waterproof. I also, if you want to clean your Apple Watch, definitely use microfiber. It cleans it very well. And I like it. That's how it keeps it very clean. Inside, you're going to find a bunch of apps here. And some of them I have downloaded, like the Wall Street Journal. And it's just really great. All the phone calls, messages are done on the Apple Watch now. Stock market, mail, weather, heart rate, and sleep tracking I have on here. You can even see some of your photos. And then the coolest one is that this camera app here. I don't know if it's going to show up on here. Will it actually show up on here? No, it's not. But because I'm already recording with it. But so apparently the watch actually did turn on, so that's why I got locked out. But that's kind of the watch in a nutshell, really. I find it very accurate for steps and heart rate. It's just so accurate. I'm just so amazed by what it can do. And then, especially when I'm running, it gives me my elevation, my heart rate, total elevation game, average heart rate, and my speed. And it's really cool, especially for all the athletes out there. Like it's in the box, deja vu. But like it's in the box, yeah. It's just for athletes. It's just a very, very cool piece of technology. And for the size, it's very lightweight. I think it's I don't really remember the grams, but it's just so light. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video. And we'll see you in the next video, probably tomorrow. Bye!